So I've been getting a lot of questions about homemade chicken layer feed. So what I do is I order all my grains from Azure Standard online. They do a drop delivery nearby. And I think they're kind of scattered all over. So if you go on their website, you can see where their closest drop is to you, and it saves significantly on shipping costs, which will keep your cost of your layer feed down. But you can buy them in anything from 8-ounce packages like this to 25 to 50-pound bags like this. I will put in the description box below the recipe that I use that you can then tweak for your own use. I'll also list each grain and what the benefits of each grain are. You can change it however you want, or maybe your chickens don't like lentils or something else, and you can play with it. But this will give you a good base to start with. And then what I'll do is I'll get a small garbage can like so, and I'll measure out each individual grain, put it in, and I'll just take my hands and just run right through it to mix it up pretty evenly. And this should, the recipe that I'll put in there will be enough to fill a 10-pound feeder, which depending on how many chickens you have, how long it'll last you, and you could double up on the recipe, triple up on the recipe, quadruple on the recipe, whatever you want to do. So again, just look down in the description box there and I'll put all the info there. Thanks.